Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Drive plugin via RedmineUP. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to firstly create a new project into Redmine, and I'm going to name it Drive plugin testing, and in brackets activating. Okay, so I'm gonna make it public as well as now created. Okay, so now I see that after creation of the project, there are already some enabled plugins here, Agile, Contacts, Wiki, and so on. So after we activate the drive, it is going to appear here into the main project tabs and topics here. So there is one simple step. You have to scroll down into the settings of this project and then enable the drive here and afterward save the changes. So this is it. We see that the drive has just appeared here. Okay, so we click on the drive now and see that this is our drive plugin. Currently we do not have anything, but I'm going to show you a couple of examples uh, just to see how it is going to work. So I'm going to create a new folder here and name it, for example, Matrix, but the first episode from the 1999. So this is the best movie from all the Matrix movies, in my opinion. Okay, so we create it and see that there is a folder now, and into this folder we could upload a file, and this file could be the Morpheus versus Neo JPG. Okay, so we add this picture. It is inside the folder matrix from the 1999. So we see here is Drive plugin. The project name is here Drive plugin testing, and the matrix is the folder, and the file is Neo versus Morpheus from the iconic fight where Morpheus is teaching Neo. Uh, Actually, Neo is better than him, but yeah, Morpheus is teaching Neo. Also, you could access the drive here on the top. We see that there are other files and folders from different projects. This is the one from our project. So yeah, this is it. There are other options and possibilities and features, but there are other articles and videos into our documentation. So please check them if you wish to know how to work with this plugin. You have to go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and help and support section. Scroll down to the very bottom, it is the drive here, and see that we have the activating article here, and all other articles um, are here. So you could check them and see how the plugin works, as well as this one, the main features of Drive. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks for the patience. I hope it was good. If you like it, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and of course, check the other videos and articles. If you have some problems or questions about the videos and articles, or if you'd like to just share some new thoughts, ideas, feature requests, or you'd like to just say hi to our team, then please write a message to support@redmineup.com, and we're going to answer you as soon as possible. Yeah, so thanks again for watching this, and bye bye for now. See you soon.